phahleli khona kunesimanga ebukhoneni bakhe kunenjabulo ngoba igama lakhe lisiphephelo sami ngiyamazi umhlengi wami ngithi lapha hleli khona kwenzeka izimanga ebukhoneni bakhe kunenjabulo ngoba igama lakhe lisiphephelo sami ngiyamazi umhlengi wami mina ngiyamazi umhlengi wami akalali akoseli futhi ngeke angidele ngoba uhlale nami kuze kube phakade awu
told me it was over when I saw you and her talking.
I'm Malema Tasimolweni. Welcome to the last day of this month. I'm shopping this morning. I'm gonna try to fit those things out. I'm looking for a shirt, a white shirt name. And I also saw a skipper and a hoodie that's white. So I'm gonna see which one is a fitter because I'm gonna wear it gym. The outfit that I need for is for each gym. So I'm gonna see how that goes. I don't know what's happening with that makeup, but it's very painful. So gently, blonde. So I'm gonna fit it, and then after this I have to go to the Greeks. I passed by Specsavers 12 makeup appointment. I'm not sure if you guys saw that earlier. But yeah, I have to. That's the vibe. Let's fit this and see which one we're going to put in and be out of here. I'm wearing this hoodie with the tights and my fake Crocs. So that's the fit. I feel it, guys. So now the light here is so bright, but this is the first one. It's this white crop here. No, I think I like this, but let's see, is it? Guys, this is the second one. I honestly like it, but I don't know how I feel about it, especially this area. Size small, even a legging size small, and then this is the arms. I think I like the arms more. I think I like the arms more, but I don't know. I feel like I don't like what's happening up. I don't like what's happening up. And it's a bit tight also. I don't know, man. But I don't know, man. I don't think I like it. Now this is my fave. This I like. This I like. But I don't think it's going to fit the event that I wanted for. But I'm going to buy it, just not for the event. So I guess we're taking this and that first one. Then I say, yeah, the shirt is out. So tutorials, let's go to Clicks. Let me first go pay and then see my Clicks.
I'm in love, sweet love. Hear me calling out your name. I feel no shame. I'm in love, sweet love. Don't you ever go away. It will always be this way. There's no stronger love in this world. Oh, baby, no, you're my man. I'm your girl. I'll never go. Wait and see. Can't be wrong. Don't you know this is where you belong?
Out here being a parent, playing man up games and mouth and stuff. Like, why is it woman got to guys? Why